Hello students, in this video I am going to give you how to solve the algebraic equation with two variables. If there are two variables have to be finded out, there should be two equations. With solving two equations, we can get the value of one variable by cancelling the other, and then replacing the value of first one we can find the value of second variable. Let's take some example to find the value of two variables. In the equation, it is asked find the value of x and y in the following equation: x plus y equals to 10, x minus y equals 2. So just take in the solution, just take the two equation one under the other. The first equation is x plus y equals 10 is taken. Second equation x minus y equals 2 is taken. You may observe we can't find the both x and y values at the same time. So we have to cancel any one. Here we have to observe that y is having coefficient 1. Both the case coefficient is 1 and the index is also same, that is 1 in this case, 1 1. The sign of the y is observed to be opposite, plus y minus y. So plus y when adding with minus y cancels and remains only x. So x added with x becomes 2x, 10 plus 2 it becomes 12. So x is equal to 12 by 2, x becomes 6. Take the first equation, that is x plus y equals 10 have taken here. You can take second also, no problem there, but for convenient I have taken the first equation, x plus y equals 10. If x equals 6, then y equals 10 minus 6, y becomes 4. So in this way we can find the value of two unknown terms in expressions if they are given. When finding the one equation, we have to cancel the other. That we have to do, that is important. For cancellation, we should observe the notes here. To cancel the sign of alphabet should be opposite. What I have explained here, plus y minus y, that was point. No, to cancel the sign of alphabet should be opposite. Sign of alphabet or coefficient of alphabet with it should be opposite. To cancel the coefficient of alphabet should be equal. Cancel the coefficient, that is in this case you may observe coefficient of y is also 1, minus y is also 1. If that is the case, we can cancel. If one is 2, another is 3, we can't cancel. We should make it equal first and then we should cancel. Let's take that type of example in the next step. Find the value of x and y in the following equation. It is given 2x plus 3y equals 13, one equation, and 4x plus 2y equals 14, another equation. You may observe here the first equation is 2x plus 3y equals 13. Second equation is 4x plus 2y equals 14. You can't cancel y or x because the coefficient of y or x are different. In this case 2x it is 4x, it is 3y it is 2y, it is 13 14 like that. And also the signature, that is sign, the sign of the coefficient is also same. When there is same sign, we can't cancel the alphabets. So let's first make the coefficient equal. For that we have to multiply. First we have to decide which alphabet we are going to cancel. I have decided here to cancel y. So y, the coefficient of y is 2 here. Multiplied the second equation coefficient with the first equation numbers. Complete equation. You have to multiply 2 with the complete equation. And the first equation coefficient of y is 3. Multiply 3 with the second complete equation. By doing so, we get 2 into 2, 4x, 2 into 3, 6y, 2 into 13, 26. Similarly, second equation, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 2, 6, y, 14 into 3, 42. We have done one thing, that is to cancel y, we have made the coefficient of y equal 6 and 6. When the coefficients are equal, we can cancel, but the sign should be opposite. To make sign opposite, we have to subtract the equations. This is important. To make the sign opposite, we have to take subtraction action, because I have told you that to subtract we have to change the sign of second equation. That is, if there is plus we can change it to minus, if there is minus we can change it to plus, like that. So when we change the subtract, we change just the sign, that is plus 12x becomes minus 12x, 6y becomes minus 6y, 42 becomes minus 42. While doing so, 6y cancel each other because there is plus 6y and minus 6y. By subtraction we can cancel both. And 4x by subtracting with 12x it becomes minus 8x. 26 by subtracting with 42 it becomes minus 16. Then x becomes minus 16 by minus 2. As we know, minus divided by minus it becomes plus from the algebra sign applications. So x equals plus 2, it becomes value of x becomes plus 2. Take the first equation for convenience. 2x plus 3y equals 13. Replace the value of x, that is 2, it is here. 2 into 2 plus 3y equals 13. 2 into 2 it becomes 4. 4 plus 3y equals 13. 3y equals 13 minus 4. Shifting this plus 4 to right hand side, it becomes minus 4. 3y equals 9. 13 minus 4, it becomes 9. Y is equal to 9 minus 3. Y becomes 3. So in this way we can find the value of unknown terms in the algebraic equation by simple methods. First we have to decide which alphabet we have to cancel. First thing, and make sure the coefficient of the cancelling alphabet is equal. Third one, the sign of cancelling alphabet should be opposite, that is one should be plus, other should be minus. Otherwise we have to make opposite by using the subtraction method. So let's take one more example of this type to find the value of unknown terms x and y. Here in this problem asked to find the value of x and y. Here the problem is a bit having more steps. There is no difference in the previous and this problem. Only thing is we have to solve the equation 1 and 2 by taking the LCM of denominators. Take the first equation, 2x plus 3y, 2x by 3 plus 3y by 2 equals 4. 2 into 3, 6 will become the LCM for this equation. 6 cancel with 3 2 times. So hence it is 2 into 2x the numerator, plus 6 is cancelled by 2 3 times. 3 into 3y the numerator equals 4. Then again simplifying, 2 into 2 4x, 3 into 3 9y, and 6 cross multiplied with this 4 becomes 6 4s are 24. That is the equation number 1. Similarly take the second equation, 4x by 2 minus 3y by 2 equals 1. For 2 and 4, 4 will be the LCM. So if the 4 is LCM, 4 is divided by 2 gives you 2. 2 into 2, 2 into 4 it becomes minus 4 cancel with 4 1 times, 1 into 3y it becomes equals 1. So finally it becomes 4 into 2 8x, 3 into 1 into 3 it becomes 3y, 4 into 1 it becomes 4. This is the second equation. By solving 1 and 2, equation number 1 and equation number 2, we are going to get the value of x and y. Take the first equation, 4x plus 9y equals 24 into 3. Why we are making 3 here, multiplying 3 here means we are decided to cancel y. The coefficient of y in the second equation is 3. It has to be multiplied with the first equation. Similarly, in the second equation, 8x minus 3y equals 4 into 9. Here 9 because the coefficient of y in the first equation is 9. We have to multiply that number with the second equation. By multiplying so, we get 3 into 4, 12x, 3 into 9, 27y, 3 into 24, we get 72. Similarly, 9 into 8, it becomes 72, 9 into 3, it becomes 27, and 9 into 4, it becomes 36. You may observe here, we have decided to cancel y. The coefficient of y are equal, 27, 27, and the sign are opposite. One is plus, other is minus. Then you just take it as addition. So 27y cancel with 27y. So remaining is minus 12 minus 72x. It becomes minus 82. Sorry, 12x plus 72x. It becomes 86x. And 72 with 36 it becomes 108. Then x becomes 108 divided by 86. It is 8.25. So take the first equation of number 1 equation, what we have already simplified this equation, number 1 equation, and substitute the value of x there. So 4 into x plus 9y equals 24. The value of x is 1.25. 4 into 1.25, it becomes 5, plus 9y equals 24. 9y equals 24 minus 5. Shifting plus 5 to right hand side, it becomes minus 5. 9y equals 19. Y is equal to 19 by 9. So y gives you 2.11. So in this way we can solve the value of unknown terms if there are two unknown terms in given equations. We have to cancel one of the two unknowns by making the coefficients equal and signs opposite. So in this way we can find the value of x and y in two variable algebraic equations. So thanks for watching. Thank you.